How to change Facebook language back to English. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. For that, you have to head over to your Facebook application. Once you do so, make sure that you are logged into your specific Facebook account, which language you would like to change back to English. Now tap on three bar icon or your profile. You will get landed onto a page like this. Here tap on the gear icon to access the settings. Scroll below under Preferences, you will see Language and Region. Open it. You will see various options. Let's go ahead and see the first one. Tap onto it, make sure that you select English here. Tap on the second one, select English as well, then tap on Save. Now do the same for the third one as well. And just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you all for watching and we will catch you up in our next upload.